Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful videos, very charming, very good charming and good looking amazing designs. Of this video it's all about the very attractive and charming looks and different types of decent ideas and decent elegant videos. Hope everyone likes so attractive beautiful things and different charming looks and different amazing designs. Hope everyone likes so stunning, like so attractive design and beautiful things ideas. You will be perfectly and stunning videos, all good things. You will be elegant design and different types of videos, different types of designs and different amazing videos of crochet baby girls frocks. Crochet baby girls frocks are trendy videos, are trendy designs for most demanding, most attractive and stunning designs. You will be ideas, also good things. Always be attractive ideas and attractive things, ideas and different elegance videos. Keep me attractive, sharing a good things, good family members and different perfectly and beautiful ideas and beautiful things. So baby girls frocks are trendy. Baby girls frocks are trendy designs and different amazing different charming looks. Hope everyone likes so attractive and stunning videos and stunning designs. You will be attractive and beautiful things and most elegant videos. You will be ideas. Always be different amazing videos, different perfective videos of baby girls frocks. So I request you, all of you, to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button for notification. Always be thinking of beautiful ideas and beautiful movie members. You will be attractive and elegant videos and elegant designs. Always be sharing a most demanding, most attractive and most charming videos and a charming looks. So let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Take care yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel.